Ever been stuck in a tricky car situation and wished you knew a clever trick to solve it? Well, today's your lucky day. Here are 10 genius car hacks that every driver needs to know. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Foggy headlights reducing visibility? Grab some toothpaste and a cloth, rub the toothpaste onto your headlights in a circular motion, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. It works like magic and saves you a trip to the detailer. Parking in tight spaces, cut a pool noodle in half and stick it on your garage wall where your car door opens. No more accidental dents or scratches. Need a phone mount in a pinch? Use a large rubber band, loop it through your air vent and secure your phone in place. Simple, effective, and free. Tired of fogged up windows? Fill a sock with kitty litter, tie it up and place it under your seat. The litter absorbs moisture and keeps your windows fog-free. Got a small windshield crack? Clear nail polish can slow the spread of the crack until you get it properly repaired. Just brush it over the crack to create a temporary seal. Constantly forgetting which side your gas tank is on? Place a sticky note on your dashboard with an arrow pointing in the right direction. Simple, but effective. Frozen car doors in winter? Spray a little cooking spray on the rubber seals before freezing temperatures hit. It creates a protective barrier to stop ice from forming. Want to check if your tires are safe? Grab a coin and place it in the tread. If the top of the coin is visible, it's time to replace those tires. Hang a shoe organizer on the back of your front seats to store snacks, tissues, gadgets, and more. It's perfect for keeping things tidy on long road trips. If your car remote's range isn't cutting it, hold it against your chin and press the button. Sounds weird, but your skull can amplify the signal, giving you extra reach. These hacks are simple, effective, and can make your driving life a whole lot easier. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car tips and tricks.